Hello everybody, my name is Tim and I'm going to talk about competitive programming and how to solve such an easy problem from recently contests. I'm from Russia, so sorry for my poor English. Yes, I'm going to improve this level of my English, but this video is my university task. I am studying at Higher School of Economics. Yes, and in this video I'm going to describe and solve one problem. The problem was second in the contest list, so it's quite harder than problem A, but it's so easy to solve such problem. You should only make up an idea how to solve it. Okay, first of all, I'd like to present you a website called CODEFORCES, codeforces.com. In this website you can be part of a competitive programming team and solve tasks. Both English and Russian languages are available. Okay, our task called maximum sum of digits. Oh yes, and also one note. I'm going to solve this task using Python. Only Python, because now I'm passing Python course. Okay, called maximum sum of digits. And the condition is, you are given a positive integer n. Let s of x be sum of digits in base 10 representation of x. So I think it's clear, yes? For example, s of 123 is just sum of digits. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is x. S of 0 is 0. We should find two integers, a and b. Both less or equal than n, but a plus b is equal to n. And s of a plus s of b is the largest possible among all such pairs. And the only line of our input contains an integer n. N less or equal than 10 powered by 12, so it's a huge number. And we should print sum s of a plus s of b. First, I think stupid decision. Maybe just go from n to from 1 to n, yes, and make a function which will count s of our number, yes, and such a cycle will find answer, of course, but n less or equal than 10 powered by 12, whereas Python can only do 1 million operations per second, not 10 powered by 12, yes, not only 10 powered by 8, so Python can't do it. It can be the way to know the solution. The solution should be mathematician. Okay, let's consider examples. 35. Its output is 17. So possible integers 17 and 18. Yes, 17 plus 18 is 35, and its s of its integers is 17. Okay, and the second one is 10 billion. 10 billion, of course, is a large number. Yes, and possible decision is a is equal to this big number and b is equal to second big number. Okay, now I'm going to present you an idea. For instance, if we have a number which contain n digits, let's create a number which contain n minus 1 digit, and this number will be consist only of nines. So consists of nines. For instance, for number 123, it will be 99. I think it's clear. Okay. What should we do next? Maybe found the additional number. 123 minus 99 is equal to 24. And let's count their functions s of 24 plus s of 99. Okay, it is 24. I denote such an approach like a way to solve this problem. For example, let's consider 35. The number which contains one digit, it's 9. 35 minus 9 is 27. S of 9 plus S of 27 is 17. So, if you make up such an idea, you should solve the task using Python. Okay, first of all, we should input n. How we can do it? We should use standard line. N is equal to input, and due to n integer, int input. Then let's consider just a simple test. If n less than 10, then answer will be, of course, n. For example, for 9, yes, answer will be 9. If we like make up 9 as a 4 plus 5, the answer will be also 9. We can't do it with one digit number. Okay. Otherwise, what should we do? First of all, main really interesting feature, how we can count a number of digits in a number n. For example, it will be L, the number. L is equal to len, like a string, yes? And we can use str method to make n number as a string. And now L is equal to number of digits in number n. So quite easy. And because of the fact that we should get n minus 1. So if number contains L digits, we should get and work out at n minus 1. So L minus 1. So we should just we should do minus 1. Yes. Then we should create a new number, which will be L, which will consist of L digits 9. How we can do it? So just look at this line. This number I will call this number P. P is equal to 9 multiplied by L. This is a string, but how we can make it like an int? Just this way. Such an easy, I think. Okay, so what should we do after it? We should subtract P from n and make a new variable like t. T равно n minus p, and it will be the next our number. Just print it and check. Print p and t. So let's check if n is equal to 35. Yeah. 35, we will get 9 and 26, as I mentioned before. Okay. Now, how we can count a sum of digits of number p? Oh, it's easy. It's like 9 multiplied by L. So, but what about number t? It's not such an easy way. We should create new variable, for instance, s, and make it 0. And then we should write a line like while t more than 0. What should we do? We should add the last digit of a number t to s, and then delete this this digit, last digit, and divide it or equal, no, not divide it by 10. And be careful, we should use 2 slashes here, because 1 slash means float divided, and we should eliminate all the last integer. Then in number s will be our sum, so we should print s plus 9 multiplied by L. So just check it. For instance, here our window, for instance 35, answer will be 17. For instance 1 billion, not 1 billion, 10 billions. Let's just copy it and use here. Yeah, answer is clear, answer is good. Okay, now I'm going to check it as a system testing, using system testing. Yes, you can check your program using system tests. So tests consists of different situations, different types. So if you pass test, then your program is okay. Okay, no problem. Just send our solution to website. Yes, you can choose your compiler, for instance PyPy 3.5, and this is our attempt. Running, accepted. Yes, our program is accepted. Congratulations. So, this is short introduction to competitive programming website called CODEFORCES, and to solving tasks using Python. Be careful when you use Python, because Python can do about 1 million operations per second. If time is like strong restriction, then you should use more faster languages like C++ or C, maybe some different languages. In this case, Python is okay, and using such interesting functions like multiply string by number, which repeats string L times, yes, and when we transform str, for example, to which we transform string to int, yes, which we count numbers. So it's fascinating algorithms, are fascinating methods. I'm happy to present Python like an interesting language. So I think it was interesting to solve tasks in Python. See you next time. Thank you for your attention.